Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to select all keyframes in After Effects. This is an animation we made before we move an object, follow, and path. We can find the tutorial in this channel. Let's stop it here and go back to here. If we want to show all the keyframes to the layer, we can press shortcut U to show all the keyframes. If we want to select all the keyframes, one way, we can click and hold to select the keyframes. Alternative, we can select position. So all the keyframes are selected. If we want to select all the keyframes for position and scale, we can press Shift and click to select position and scale. So all the keyframes of position and scale are selected. Now, if we want to select all the keyframes that we set, we can press shortcut Ctrl Alt A to select all the keyframes that we set. So this is how we can select all keyframes in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.